What is up, you guys? Back with another video. Today we made 400 on NQ. This trade, I did not believe that this trade would go anywhere at all. Honestly, honest to God. The way Nasdaq was moving, I'm not even surprised that it ended up hitting TP. So when I came into the day, first setup I saw wasn't even Nasdaq. I saw this 1 hour, no, this 15-minute supply on Dow, on YM, but by the time I wanted to get inside of the trader was already gone in that TP. I couldn't even calculate the contracts I wanted to get in inside of Top Step. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm not taking this trade. So then I went to NQ and then I saw that NASDAQ tapped into this 15-minute supply from yesterday, which had broke some structure. Even though NASDAQ is looking like it wants to try and start moving inside of an uptrend, we are still bearish structurally. So I'm like, okay, we're either gonna push past this zone and then take out yesterday's high, or we're gonna respect the zone and then take out London low. So I was like, screw it. I just got inside of the trade, targeting London low liquidity, and I accidentally closed. So usually when I hit my profit target, not my target, but London low, I usually take off like half of my position and move my stops to break even. But this time I had accidentally closed off my full position. So the trade could have just kept on going. As you guys can see, we're at like 3R right now, but I closed the trade off fully at around here. So it was only around 2R, which I did on accident. If we go to Top Step, right now I'm up 644. And then once I have one more win and I get into the thousands range, that's when I'm gonna start risking like 1%. This whole time I've been risking 0.5% on this account. So I'm up 3R I'm like on the channel. No, not 3R. I'm up 1R, but I'm really up like around almost 3R or 2.5R or something like that. Because I've been risking half of what I normally risk just because I want a buffer. So this is my challenge right now, 40% win rate. 1 to 2 are right now, but that's probably gonna change. These metrics are gonna keep on changing the more trades I get in. And this is basically the month of August for me. I've been in this challenge since the 9th, so I'm really like, okay, I don't want to rush things, but it's getting to that point where I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna up my risk soon to pass this thing. So yeah, this month of August has actually been really rough, not just for me, but for like other people as well. The market has been like moving differently because a whole bunch of things. We're moving into Q4. We have different companies having earnings reports. It's just been a whole bunch of mess, honestly. Like for the past couple of weeks, like market has been taking out liquidity, moving to another liquidity pool, taking out that liquidity, moving on to another liquidity pool. It's been freaking back and forth chop, basically. So you're never really certain about a move that you're in because honestly, it could take out a level of liquidity and just reverse on you just like that. And that's how it's been the past couple of weeks. The market has not been running whatsoever. Anyways, though, that's all that I have for this week. We had a pretty good week this week. Came back from last week, which was last week we had a losing week, if I remember properly. Yeah, last week we had a losing week, and this week we were up pretty good. So that's how trading is. You have losing weeks, winning weeks, but overall on the month, how are you doing? This month for me was about to be a losing month until today and Wednesday, honestly. If these 2 days didn't happen, it would have been a losing month for me. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys for this video, and I'll be back next week with more trades and see how we do.